If you ever gotten a haircut and felt like your waves disappeared, or you left the barbershop feeling like, did I just ruin months of progress? This video is for you. Because most people don't lose their waves after a cut. They lose them because they're cutting them wrong. One bad haircut can set you back weeks. But the right haircut, that's what actually levels your waves up. A haircut doesn't just lower your hair, it resets your pattern. Your waves are built on three things: length, the progress you made, and repetition. When you cut too low, you remove length. When you remove length, you remove depth. And when you remove depth, your connections start to disappear. So if you're a beginner, don't cut too low. A one guard or lower will always set you back. Your safest range will always be a 1.5 or a 2 guard. And I would be honest with you, I think we're slowly and completely getting away from the 1.5s. But me personally, I think 1.5 still look good. Some other waivers may feel different, but it's your waves. You want them how you want them. A lot of y'all say you want them like mine. So if you want them like mine or similar to mine, I'm always at a 2. I no longer cut to 1.5s. I used to, but my 1.5 days are over. Let's just say that. Because your hair needs length to overlap and create that flow. Your crown controls everything. Every wave on your head flows from that point. If your barber cuts your crown too low, you're gonna mess it up and create forks instantly. Tell your barber to keep your crown thicker. Whatever guard length you do for your crown, you want to go a guard higher. So for example, if you cut to a 2, you want your crown to be a 3. Keep the crown thicker. Please don't let your barber freestyle your waves, because they will. Barbers like to think they know what's best. That's why I started cutting my own hair. And maybe they do, but not when it comes to waves. And that's because waves don't come from clippers. They come from brushing. Even cut, clean taper, low taper I might add, and a protected crown. That's it. If you cut too often, you never build depth. Waves need time, length, and repetition. If you keep resetting your pattern, your waves never get a chance to mature. Right after a cut, this is where most people mess up. Don't panic, don't overbrush, and don't overload with products. Right after a haircut, you just want to keep it simple. Light brush session, correct angles, and compression. Give your haircut a little time to like set in. You know what I'm saying? Like just keep it smooth. Like you do want to make sure you are brushing, but right after the cut, you just need something like let your hair relax. So your waves don't disappear after a cut. They just lose length. And depth comes from length. Your pattern is still there. A haircut shouldn't scare you. It should only sharpen your waves. So if you got a haircut coming up, I'm gonna need you to lock in. And like, share, and subscribe if you're serious about your waves.